It's the time of year when families and friends begin spending more time together using their outdoor spaces. But happiness can turn into horror in an instant. May is Deck Safety Month. Deck Safety Month is an annual awareness campaign and a registered trademark of the North American Deck and Railing Association, more commonly referred to as NADRA. NADRA and the AIBD have entered into a strategic alliance to seek areas and services where cooperation and support benefit our members mutually. Meet Jack Butler. Jack is the interim town manager of the town of Oakland, Florida, and chairman of the AIBD Building Codes and Standards Committee. He is also our liaison to the NADRA Codes Committee. Last month, Jack and I attended the NADRA annual conference where we learned that there are 50 million residential decks in America. The life expectancy of a safe deck is 20 years. 26 million are 25 years old or older. That represents $265 billion in needed design and construction. There are 15 years worth of deck replacement work ahead of us, not to mention the new decks. I see this as a massive opportunity for public service and growing your company. NADRA offers some specialized deck training certificates to help you better serve your clients and increase your menu of services. First is NADRA's Deck Evaluation and Inspection Certification. It's a 4-hour training delivered via Zoom, and Jack just earned his certification. As a deck evaluator, you can get your foot in the door with homeowners. Once you have verified that their deck needs significant repairs or replacement, you're in the position to provide them the services and the opportunity to upsell them on other additions and enhancements to their home. Maybe you use this new tool as a lead magnet. Or perhaps deck inspections are a new sideline to the other services that you offer. Another opportunity is the Master Deck Professional Code Certification. It's a 4-part on-demand educational series so that you can do it at your leisure. The MDP Code program covers how decks interact with existing structures, structural elements of a deck, an in-depth review of ledger attachments, including handling various exterior cladding, flashing methods, and structural considerations. And that's the first 6 hours. The second 6 cover load path and non-structural code requirements related to stairs, ramps, landings, guards, and handrails. You'll also learn about design considerations for common amenities such as lighting, hot tubs, gas-fired equipment, and piping. If you're a CPBD, all of this education qualifies for primary CEs towards your next recertification. May is not only Deck Safety Month, but it's also Building Safety Month, according to the International Code Council. The NADRA and the ICC have partnered to publish the Deck Construction Book based on the 2021 IRC. According to building forensic experts, the most common mode of total deck collapse involves the deck pulling away from the house. Chapter 4 is all about ledgers. In most designs, it carries half the deck load, so it's got to have an excellent structural connection to the house. The book breaks down the individual code references specific to that area of the deck and construction. The authors have added detailed color illustrations to visually communicate the code requirements, making them much easier to understand. Plus, there are plan and section views, some straight from the code book, and others are color renderings. Designing decks isn't just about ledgers, joists, stairs, and railings. The Deck Construction Book covers all the obscure things to think about too, such as overhead power line clearances, how your deck affects exterior doors, and whether or not you need to provide safety glass and windows. If the house has a basement, it can be okay to cover or surround emergency escape and rescue openings. The book shows you how to do that safely and according to code. You can purchase the 227-page Deck Design Bible through the ICC at iccsafe.org/store and search Deck Construction. For deck training and more, go to nadra.org/education. If you like working with the A-team here at AIBD, you're going to love the gang at NADRA. If you happen to speak with Mike, Margie, Heather, or Stephanie, please tell them I said hello. Remember to scroll down through the rest of the Monday Minute and have a triumphant week.